Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Alyssa Bliss list. My name is Alyssa, and today I'm going to be showing you a look using the MORPHE 35XO Holiday Palette. This palette is so unbelievably stunning, and I'm so excited to get into it, so what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Just prepped my P. Louise base, and the first shade I'm going to go into is this shade up at the top. It's called Eye Contact. I'll be using my Morphe M433 brush. The next shade I'm going to be going in with, I'll be using the same brush, and I'm going in with Talk Feelings. And on top of the shade Talk Feelings, I just want to go over it a little bit with the shade Hard to Get. And that's just going to transition into the halo eye in the center. And I'm using one of my Morphe Pride Collection brushes. And now with my e.l.f. 201 brush, I'm going to go in with the pressed glitter right here. It's called Crushin' Hard. And now for my inner corner, I'm going to be using the Morphe M152 brush and going in with the shade Your Move. And now for my under eye, I'm just going to be using one of my Morphe Pride Collection brushes and going back in with the shade Talk Feelings. I went back and forth on doing eyeliner, but I think I'm gonna do it. So I'll just be applying my Too Faced Better Than Sex liquid black eyeliner, and then on top of that, I'll be doing my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And now for my lips, I'm going to be using my Morphe 2 Wonder Tint Lip and Cheek Mousse, and that's in the shade Amaze. And on top of that, I just added a little bit of the Morphe 2 Glassified Lip Oil in the shade Mirror Mirror. I almost forgot to mention, I used a little bit of the shade Make It Official on my under eye to kind of blend together the eyeliner with the shade Talk Feelings that I have under there as well. My overall thoughts on this palette, I really liked it. I was shocked at how much I like it. Some of the shades did go on a little patchy at first, but you just keep packing them on, and they're pretty easy to use. The only one that was really complicated to use was the pressed glitter, but pressed glitters are always pretty tricky. I really like how this look turned out, and I will definitely be using this again. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this look, and if you enjoyed this video, feel free to like and subscribe. I hope you all have a very happy holiday, and yeah, I will see you in the next one. Bye.